Welcome to InfiniCurious. Today, we're taking you to the heart of the Central African rainforest to discover one of the continent's most fascinating and mysterious animals, the Okapi. Although it looks like a mix between a giraffe and a zebra, the Okapi is a unique animal, full of extraordinary characteristics. The Okapi is the closest relative of the giraffe, even though at first glance, it may seem completely different. It shares with the giraffe an elongated neck, although not as noticeable, which allows it to reach leaves and high branches in the forest. In addition, it has a long prehensile tongue that can extend up to 14 inches. This extraordinary tongue not only allows it to grab food, but also to clean its eyes and ears, a fundamental adaptation for life in the dense rainforest. The legs and hindquarters of the Okapi are decorated with black and white stripes, similar to those of a zebra. These stripes are not just decorative, but play a crucial role in the animal's camouflage. In the dense rainforest where light filters unevenly through the foliage, the Okapi's stripes help it blend in with the shadows and patches of light. This camouflage is especially important for young Okapis, who follow their mothers through the thick undergrowth, relying on the stripes to avoid getting lost. Unlike many other animals that live in herds or groups, the Okapi is a solitary animal. Each Okapi occupies a well-defined territory in the Ituri rainforest, in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. This territory is marked with secretions from the interdigital glands, which leave a scent trail to signal the animal's presence to other Okapis. Social interactions between Okapis are rare and generally limited to the mating season. Even mothers and calves spend little time together, with the calf being hidden in a safe place while the mother searches for food. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Okapi is its ability to communicate using subsonic sounds, frequencies that are below the range of human hearing. This type of communication is similar to that used by elephants and allows Okapis to communicate through dense vegetation without attracting the attention of predators. Subsonic sounds can travel long distances, allowing Okapis to stay in contact even when they are separated by great distances in the forest. The Okapi has developed a highly specialized diet, which includes more than 100 different plant species. Many of these plants are poisonous to other animals, but the Okapi has a digestive system capable of neutralizing the toxins. In addition, the Okapi supplements its diet with clay and charcoal, which help to detoxify the body. This unique diet allows the Okapi to exploit food resources that other herbivores cannot use, thus reducing competition for food. The Okapi is an extremely rare and endangered species due to the destruction of its natural habitat and illegal hunting. The Ituri rainforest, where the Okapi lives, has been severely affected by agricultural expansion and mineral extraction, drastically reducing the living space for these animals. Okapis are also hunted for their meat and skin, despite being protected by law. Several conservation programs are in place to protect this unique species, but their isolation in the dense forest makes it difficult to monitor and adequately protect them. The Okapi uses a complex body language to communicate with other members of its species. These signals include movements of the ears, tail, and body, which convey information about the animal's emotional state or potential threats in the territory. For example, an Okapi may raise its tail to show nervousness or agitation, or it may puff out its chest and lower its head to show dominance, or to ward off an intruder. This body language is essential to avoid direct conflicts, since Okapis are territorial and solitary animals. Although their existence was well known to the local populations of the Congo, the Okapi was only discovered by the scientific community at the beginning of the 20th century. The first scientific description dates back to 1901, when the explorer Sir Harry Johnston documented its existence. Its unusual appearance, with features that seemed to combine those of a giraffe and a zebra, immediately captured the attention of the public and researchers. Since then, the Okapi has become a symbol of the biodiversity of the African rainforest and an example of the extraordinary variety of life on our planet. What about you? Do you know any other interesting facts about the Okapi? Let us know in the comments and follow us so you don't miss other videos.